Hello everyone, and welcome to Speak Slow English. My name is Mitchell, and I'm very happy you are here with me today. Let me start with a simple question. Right now, in this moment, can you speak English out loud? Not for an exam, not in a classroom, not when someone is watching you. Right now. If I asked you a very easy question like, "What are you doing right now?" could you answer without freezing, without fear, without thinking too much? If your answer is maybe, or not yet, or I feel shy, then stay with me. This episode was made for you. This is the podcast where we speak slowly, clearly, and naturally, so you can relax, listen, and improve your English step by step. Take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's begin together. Today, we are going to talk about a habit. Not just any habit, but a simple and powerful habit that can help your English grow every day. First, I will explain what this habit is all about. I will explain it slowly and clearly. Then, after that, we will practice together, step by step, so you can feel confident and calm. So, what is this habit? This habit is daily small practice. It means doing a little bit of English every single day, even when you are busy, even when you feel tired, and even when you feel unsure about your level. Many learners think they need long study hours, big grammar books, or perfect pronunciation before they start speaking, but that idea often stops people from moving forward. The truth is much simpler. A habit is something you do again and again. It does not have to be big, it just has to be regular. Think about brushing your teeth. You do not think about it too much, you just do it. You do it every day, maybe twice a day. Over time, it keeps your teeth healthy. Learning English works in the same way. Small daily actions make a big difference over time. This habit is about showing up every day for your English. Maybe for 5 minutes, maybe for 10 minutes. The time is not the most important thing. The most important thing is consistency. Consistency means you do not stop. Some days you feel motivated, some days you do not. But the habit continues even on the days when motivation is low. That is how real progress happens. Now, let me explain how this habit works in your brain. When you repeat something many times, your brain starts to recognize patterns. Words begin to feel familiar. Sentences begin to sound natural. You do not need to translate so much in your head. English starts to feel easier and more automatic. This is why listening and repeating are so powerful. When you hear the same type of English again and again, your brain learns without stress. You are not forcing it, you are gently training it. This habit is not about being perfect, it is about being present. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to forget words. Every learner forgets. Even advanced learners forget sometimes. What matters is that you come back again tomorrow. Now, let's talk about how to practice this habit in a simple way. You choose one small action, for example, listening to a short English podcast, or repeating a few sentences out loud, or speaking to yourself for 1 minute. You choose something easy enough that you cannot say no. If it feels too hard, you will avoid it, so we make it easy. Easy habits last longer. Now, I want us to practice together right now, wherever you are. You do not need anything special, just your voice and your attention. I will say a sentence slowly. I want you to listen first. Then I want you to repeat after me. Do not rush, take your time. Listen first. I am learning English step by step. Now, repeat. I am learning English step by step. Very good. If it felt slow, that is perfect. Slow is good. Slow means clear. Let's try another one. Listen. I practice a little every day. Now, repeat. I practice a little every day. Nice job. You are doing very well. Now, let's practice speaking naturally. I will ask a simple question, and I want you to answer out loud. There is no right or wrong answer. Just speak. Here is the question. Why are you learning English? Take a moment. Think. Then answer out loud. Good. Even if your answer was short, that is okay. Short answers are still answers. Now, let's try another one. How many minutes can you practice English every day? Answer out loud. Great. That number is your habit. Even 5 minutes is powerful if you do it every day. Now, I want you to imagine tomorrow. Imagine yourself sitting somewhere quiet. You press play on this podcast or another English audio, you listen, you repeat, and you smile because you know you are improving even if it feels slow. This habit is not about speed, it is about direction. As long as you are moving forward, you are doing it right. Some days you will feel confident. Some days you will feel confused. That is normal. Learning a language is not a straight line. It goes up and down, but the habit keeps you going. Before we finish, let's do one last practice together. Listen. I am proud of myself for practicing today. Now repeat. I am proud of myself for practicing today. Yes, you should be proud. You showed up, you listened, you practiced. That is how habits are built. And remember, English is not something you have to rush. It is something you grow into slowly and naturally. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I'm Mitchell, and this is Speak Slow English. If you enjoyed this episode, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and come back tomorrow for more slow, clear, and friendly English practice. I'll see you next time. Take care and keep practicing a little every day.